This is the difference between type 1 and type 2 error in statistics. In statistics, we also often have a null hypothesis that can either be true or false, and we choose to either reject or not reject the null hypothesis. A type 1 error is when you reject the null hypothesis and the null hypothesis turned out to be true. So you falsely reject the null hypothesis. You made a false positive. Rejecting the null hypothesis when it is actually true. It's equivalent to a false positive. This is a number that you typically set to 0.05, and this correlates to p-value that I'll flash on the screen later. This represents the significance level of a statistical test for the p-value, and you want your p-value to be below that alpha value, below that type 1 error value. Your beta error is a type 2 error. This is failing to reject the null hypothesis when it's actually false. This is equivalent to a false negative. This is represented by beta here. It's complementary to the power of the study. The power is 1 minus the beta, so the power is actually your probability of having a true positive, of rejecting the null hypothesis when the null hypothesis was false, which is the right thing to do, and that's the power of the study. So again, some extra details on the p-value and on the power of the study.